Do you want to see another version of Pad Kra Pao? Continue watching. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone มันเลย new recipe I'm Nin. Welcome to my channel. So today I will show you guys how to cook another version of Pad Kra Pao. It will be different from traditional one. Normally the traditional Pad Kra Pao you will have plain rice and then on top with Pad Kra Pao, right? But for this version I will make it different, like fried rice Pad Kra Pao and serve with some pork steak. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's prepare fried rice. Now, let's select only Thai basil leaf. And now chop it. If you know the traditional Pad Kra Pao, you remember we will put full leaf of Kra Pao. But this is a new version, so I chop it. If you never see the traditional one, check here. Remove the tip from chili. If you like spicy, you can add more. And I will peel the garlic by smashing. And now, pound it. Be careful your eyes. Now this is ready. Let's grill our marinade pork. And now the pork is done. Let's cook fried rice. I will use the same pan. Then save some oil. Once your oil is hot, add our chili and garlic paste. Add fish sauce. Then add rice. Add oyster sauce. Some black soy sauce. Last step, add our chopped Thai basil. Mix it well and turn off the heat. If you remember my previous traditional Pad Kra Pao, I forgot fried egg, but today I will not. This is oil from pork that I bought it in the meat shop. It's good to cook. It's better than palm oil.
Okay, let's try it. Now, I have to say that I'm a bit scared because even if I like spicy, t-shirt, merchandising, go check the link in description. So even if I like spicy, most of the time before trying the recipe, before filming the recipes, I mean, we try it. And when we tried this one, it was not spicy, not very spicy. It was super spicy.
Yeah, but today I didn't use a lot of chili. It's only 7 pieces. It's not that spicy.
It's only 7 chilies, so.
Yes, I think it's not spicy than last time. Not bad. Oh, it's still.
I have to say, okay, it's still a bit spicy, but
Really?
but spicy good. Yeah. Yeah, you have to wait for it to go.
I think it's a bit plain.
No, it's not.
No?
Bad. You can actually really feel the taste of Pad Kra Pao.
Yeah, it's spicy. But not more than last time.
And some pork.
You try.
Don't worry, I will not zoom in.
He will. Actually, the pork with the rice.
Both together. Much better than the tryout. Trust me. So you can go for this one. And by the way, Vad, if you look at this video,
What?
yeah, this is the best part. Because Vad, he is eating Pad Kra Pao like lunch, dinner, every day.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But he never ate such a good Pad Kra Pao. So next time you have to come here and taste the real Pad Kra Pao.
Spicy enough. If no spicy, it means it's not Pad Kra Pao.
Yeah, that's true. What's good is it tastes like Pad Kra Pao, but in the same time it's not like the traditional Pad Kra Pao that everyone knows already. So, good job.
Yeah, you have to try it. It's kind of new things.
Yeah. Fusion.
Not fusion. อะไรนะ innovation. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment.
Yeah, tell us what you think about this like new version of Pad Kra Pao. If you think it's better than the traditional one or not.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Not thumbs up.
And very important thing, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye. No, you enough. I'm hungry. You
Me
can
too.
you can eat only in front of the camera. Off of the camera is mine.